In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page border in Google Docs. This is a helpful trick for making your documents stand out, whether you are preparing a report, a presentation, or simply want to add a touch of elegance to your document. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to google.com. Once the page loads, sign into your Google account if you haven't already done so. Just click the sign in button, enter your email address, then hit next. After typing your password, click next again. If you're already signed in, you can proceed to the next step, which is to access Google Docs. To do this, look at the top right-hand corner of your Google homepage. You'll find a grid icon, which is basically 9 small squares grouped together. Click on that icon. It will bring up several Google apps, and you want to select Google Docs from this list. This will take you straight to the Google Docs homepage. Once you are on Google Docs, open the document to which you'd like to add a border. If you haven't created one yet, this is also a perfect time to start a new document. Now that your document is open, navigate to the menu at the top of the page and click on Insert. Next, you'll select Table from the drop-down menu. When the options appear, choose a 1x1 table, which essentially means you're adding a single cell to your page. This single cell is the core component of our page border. With your table cell in place, you need to resize it so it acts as a border by covering your entire page. Click inside the table and using the small blue squares at the borders of the cell, drag the edges outwards until they align closely with the page margins. Take your time with this step to ensure the table edges line up neatly with your document margins. Now, click anywhere inside the table cell. A sidebar for table properties should appear. This is your control panel for customizing how your border looks. Within this sidebar, you'll see options to change the border color and thickness. Choose a color that complements or contrasts nicely with your document content. You might want a classic black or perhaps a bright color for more visual interest. Set the border width to make sure it's visible enough. Something around 2 points generally looks good. Finally, with your border in place, you can start typing directly inside this table cell. If you've got text already in your document, simply move it inside the table, and there you have it, a beautifully bordered page that brings a new dimension to your Google Docs. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. Whether you're preparing for a professional document or doing a creative project, adding a page border in Google Docs can enhance your work and make it stand out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.